Alright, getting a closer look at the car now, and looks like the most damaged part or component in the suspension was the tie rod right there. It's basically 90 degree, but the coilover, it's a little bent. It just looks like it's from the bushing. And I opened the hood, it didn't look that bad. Fender's all fucked up. And then the wheels touching inside the fender liner or the wheel well all over the top. So definitely gotta pull that shit out. Fender's fucked up, the door's fucked up, and the whole rear quarter is fucked. Got peeled back by a lot. Windows also shattered. Looked like, I don't know, it kind of looks like it got shot or something. It's weird. But the taillights are fine though. Taillights are fine. That's one of my main concerns. The rays that were on didn't get stolen, or right now they're getting redone. I just have it on stockies. The ISR also did get bent though, but I think I could probably just, you know, straighten it out. Just a little hit, but still solid on there. All suspension, everything looks good. The alignment in the on this wheel looks good, and look like it got hit too hard. It didn't get pushed back nor forward or nothing. No toe in or nothing. Coil looks fine as well, straight. I'm gonna get a deeper look into it once I get it to another garage where I could just take my time and look through the whole car. But honestly, as long as this isn't bent, I think we're good to go and just get a new quarter and weld it up. Just right here, looks like it got pretty dinged up. I just rolled the fenders too, which fucking sucks. The scare is missing. I don't know where the fuck that shit went, and the bumper's obviously gone. So probably the Toyota kept it or just trashed it. The headlight also got torn apart with the HID bulbs. That's gonna be expensive. That's about it. Oh, also the radiator of the core support is also beat to shit. See, just wobbly right there. Wobbly. So I'm gonna AC delete it regardless, but this looks like a brand new AC condenser. Also, AC didn't even work, but bash bar is definitely gonna come. Frame looks pretty good. It doesn't look bent or nothing, so no bends, no nothing. And the hood is obviously dinged up. Over here, this pillar was already missing, but yeah, the back, I don't know, pillar or whatever this is also missing. My mirror, I gotta get a new whole door basically, and then the fucking thing got shattered right here. And the hatch is all right. It just looks like the paint got scratched up pretty bad, which a little bit of Bondo wouldn't hurt. But the tail lights is what I was mainly concerned. This rear end looks so nice. You know, it looks like a drift car. Yeah, we're gonna get the trailer, throw it in the flatbed, and go take it to the new garage, get a deeper look on it. Look at that homemade Wise Fab. I just think coming at you like this, like that's fucking completely sideways. Holy shit. closer at the car, you can just see the, I don't know what kind of control arm this is, but this one's bent. And the coil looks like it's slightly bent, but I think it's because of this. It has tension on it. And the lower one is bent too. And I'm assuming the top one is going to be bent as well. But I got a top one. Where's the hitting on? Oh, there you go. Basically, yeah, I just got to get this guy out from the bottom. So I believe I got to drop some of the W brace. I really don't know how to really remove them. But yeah, it's just mainly this control arm in the back. I'm not sure what the fuck is called. I'm not a VQ guy. So like I mentioned in previous videos, I'm not a VQ guy, so it's a pretty new platform to me. So yeah, definitely this guy is bent, but the coil and everything looks perfect. I'm probably gonna buy that for now. Meanwhile, I'll wait for the angle kit to come through. I definitely do want to repair the body. I found a guy local that has a pillar for me already. And he has a mid quarters panel, so I'm definitely gonna do that. And it comes with the glass, so I'm gonna replace the glass. Obviously the door, it's all dinged up pretty bad. So, but before we do any of that, any replacement, the cameraman and me are gonna get doors first. He's gonna get a my driver door, and his passenger side is kind of messed up. So
yeah, my side's already messed up. So I
don't
don't mind it getting more fucked up.
We're gonna get some doors, you know. Might as well have some fun.
I'm for sure taking off my bumper though. I don't want to fuck up my bumper.
Oh, your front bumper?
Yeah, my front bumper.
Yeah, your front bumper's nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, it looks like I just gotta replace that. We should be back on the road again a little light. Oh, and the tie rod. You see this? Oh, that tie rod is bad in general.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, just gotta get tie rod, and then yeah, we'll just call it a day. I just gotta figure out how to get this guy off, because obviously got the nut from the bottom off. It's a 19. This one's a 19. But I believe I gotta drop some of this so I can get the bolt out. Alright, so got the tie rod out. I was right. I did look at the video. You do have to take off the W brace, I guess, if that's what it's referred to. Off completely. I believe there are 14 mils here. Oh, there, yeah, there's one here. Cool. There's 14 here, those two there, and then obviously the other two over there. And then I believe this is another 14. Yeah, this guy right here. And it should just come right out. And then after, obviously, the fucking 19 mil here. And lucky enough for me, this car already came with new sway bar links and outer tie rod, Moog, to be exact. So I'm gonna throw these in, and then at the end of the day, they did need to be replaced, or unless during the wreck, it got torn apart. But you know, it came with new Moog outer tie rods, so I just have to pick up the inner tie rod for this side. And then it came with Moog sway bar links, which I'm pretty geeked about because these are OE basically. So I'm gonna throw these guys in on each side. Replace this basically the whole side suspensions. So seems like I got this guy off. Got it out from right here. Now I'm just gonna get this big ass wrench. Just pry this puppy right out. Hold up. Oh shoot. There you go, got it right out. I just whacked it, ended up whacking it from here because it was stuck over here. You can see where I scraped, and then once this guy came off, I just pulled it right back down. So time to go to the auto parts and get the new one. And then measure how much I want to cut from this. And then add the spacer back on, and we should be all good to go. On here.
Boy, that's bright ass neck.
Say what? Hey.
The neck is bright. Oh, there you go. Down, went down.
Stripping out the whole suspension because I got brand new suspension over there. Show them. Brand new.
What is it? The control arm?
Upper.
And lower.
The tension rod. Right behind you.
Yeah, well, where's the other one? I want to show them what it looks like.
Yeah, okay.
I don't think they've seen it.
No, they have not seen that actually. So this is usually how it's supposed to look like. Straight, quote unquote, you know, pretty normal looking like. here, oh, as you can see, we got a door, and we got a nice new fender off a part out. A great fender, so these are gonna come in handy. And
Nice little combo that he
ta-da.
needs. Now you just need the rear quarter panel and
Yeah,
that should be
but-
good. Here it is. This
here's
is
the
what I-
tension rod. Look at that.
Oh my goodness.
So this, I'm glad this is the one that took most of the impact. The coilover is fine. And also with the, I don't know what the fuck this is called, you know. But this is fine as well, I guess. The forward
Isn't
control?
that a complete assembly?
Yeah, basically the whole hub assembly.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm glad this is the one that took most of the beating. And the tie rod.
Yeah, that tie rod. Oh my god.
That tie rod was
Did you show him what it looked like?
Oh, did I
Well, I
tell you
mean,
over
either
here?
way, it's snapped off.
Yeah, it comes, oh yeah, here it is, here it is.
I think just completely snapped off.
Yeah, look, completely snapped right here. But like I said, this car came with a lot of free shit. So it came with new tie rod ends, Moog to be exact. Moog tie rod ends, Moog lower control arm, Moog upper control arm. Basically strip out more of the oh, you also came with Moog sway bar links, which is fucking pretty cool.
Holy, dude, this thing looks like we're about to part it out. This
Dude,
thing,
yeah.
The whole wheel assembly is gone.
Yeah.
And then I can't believe this thing we're actually. I can't believe you're about to repair this for real.
Yeah,
I would have gave up. I was just going to buy another
You're
one.
just a quitter, bro.
I am a quitter.
But the only thing I really had to buy is this, and the tie rod. I mean, the tension arm, and the inner tie rod. That's all I had to buy because I have everything else. I have the other side too, but when I get the alignment done, I might have the guys install it for me.
You just got a GK Tech.
Yeah, but
Like
it's gonna take too
400
long,
bucks.
and I can't have the car here for that
that's
long.
true.
So I'm just trying to finish this as fast as I can, so I don't bother the residents around. Oh shoot. And you know, it's a really nice neighborhood. I don't think they want pieces of shit around here, so. Yeah, if I crash it this time.
Oh yeah, if you crash it in the GLD, I'm gonna have to take them from you.
Not taking nothing.
I'm like, take them from you.
Get away from me. Sit right here. Sit right here. Come on. Edgar, listen. You're not gonna get a treat, bro. Sit. No, nigga. Get like that. Well, like a little bit. Actually, I gotta. Alright, there you go. I got the new one down there. I put these stock sway bars on, sway bar links, because for some reason these Moog ones weren't working out that well. And this guy that's supposed to like well, this thing's stripped out. I don't know why the fuck it's stripped out, but I'm gonna hook up the ABS and all that, reroute it where it was, throw on the coilover. Already got the tie rod on there, kind of adjusted to where the other old one was measured at. But obviously this might be a different one, so kind of left a little bit of play, measured and everything, so should be fine. I'm gonna throw in the coilover, the wheel back on, the rotor and the caliper, and see how it drives. I'm finally gonna get this guy out of the driveway. I'm gonna cut the video here now. Just gonna post the aftermath clips of me driving this thing. Hopefully next episode you guys get to see the doors and the fender on, and then hopefully I get that quarter cut out and replaced. Probably gonna show that process and how I'm gonna do it. Excited of what me and my brother got going on. Hopefully we get a little tandem later tonight. So, cause I haven't even gotten able to drift this car around at all. So it's gonna be my first time actually drifting the car, testing it out. Pretty cool. I got a chance to rebuild this thing. It sucks it just got took, and no insurance or nothing. So this car just doesn't want to be on the road for some reason. But I'm gonna make it go on the road. So let's get these parts in real quick, and then get it back on the road and see how it drives. Hopefully nothing else is fucked up. I was checking out the power steering and the steering rack and all that. It looks all good, so we should be fine on that.
Like, fuck, I'm nervous. What the fuck? Close, close. Good thing I saved that one.